Hello everybody, welcome back to the Skyway Classics channel. Today we've got a beautiful 59 Chevrolet El Camino in a gorgeous orange. Just beautiful, beautiful car here. The interior has the ostrich skin leather. Seats are a tan leather, but just super clean. Drives great. Awesome cold start. So really nice El Camino. As you can see, you got the emblem sticking out there inside the interior. Love the wings on it. I mean, 59s are so cool, especially this late 50s models. Jump up here into the driver's seat. Check out the clusters. All the chrome. Nice shiny dash. Super nice. All right, go ahead, pop open the hood, take your first spin, put it on the hood. Alright, got the El Camino here. This thing is a beast. I love this ride. Very smooth, tight steering. Acceleration is awesome. And gotta take the curve here like it's nothing. Very nice ride. Really like the color as well. Gotten a couple thumbs up going to the gas station. Alright, we're gonna do a quick little turnaround and go put this up on the hoist.